Hello guys, welcome back to Guy with Samuel. Today, I'll show you a simple way to rename your Gmail labels. This helps keeps your inbox organized and tailored exactly to your workflow. Let's get started. So first, open your Gmail on your desktop and look to the left sidebar where your labels are listed. These labels organize your emails into categories, making things easier to find. Next, find the label you want to rename. Hover your mouse over it until you see the 3 vertical dots appear on the right side. That's the More Options menu. Click on it. Then, from the drop down, select Edit. This opens the label settings where you can change the name. After that, delete the old label name and type your new preferred label name. Make it clear and descriptive. Finally, select Save to apply your changes. Your new label name will update instantly and sync across all your devices. And here's a bonus tip, guys. To make searching even easier, use concise keyword-rich label names. This way, when you search in Gmail, you can quickly find emails related to that label. And that's it, guys. Renaming your label can make your Gmail experience smoother and more efficient. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.